So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to fix and optimize your greetings cards. Now, for people who don't really know about the power of greetings cards, in this video, I'm going to be showing you some examples of people who've been doing well with greetings cards. I'll also be showing you different niches you can go into with greetings cards, and most importantly, how you guys can actually make money with these. So if you're interested in that, make sure to watch up until the end. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. So if this is the first time you're coming across this channel and you're someone who's looking to learn how to make some extra money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll always be kept up to date with my videos. And if you're ready to learn, ready to make money, make sure to hit that like button. If you happen to be new to the channel and you don't already know, I have a free print on demand starter guide you can download down in the description, and that's filled with all the information that helped me get my first Redbubble sales. However, if you're someone that's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step guide that's also linked down below. Okay, so like I said, we'll be talking about how to fix your cards on Redbubble, and why you want to fix your cards is because cards get sales. Here are a few people that managed to actually get some sales. Hopefully you should be able to read that. So the first person we have at the top is Melissa, and she commented saying, "For a while you've been advocating greetings cards. I followed your advice, and for several weeks now I've been selling loads of Christmas cards, sometimes as many as 20 at a time." 20 at a time.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, if you're not going to go out there and start trying to sell greetings cards now, at this point, I don't know what else can convince you. The next comment, we have Nicole, and Nicole is saying, "Thanks for all your helpful videos. I finally got my first sale. After I turned on this video, I decided to look at my store and realized that someone purchased 4 greetings cards. I only have 71 designs." Guys, she only has 71 designs. She's not even hit 100 designs yet, and she is selling greetings cards. And the last person we have is Hypernation. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole comment. I'll just go through the section that I highlighted, and they've put here a good pointer for anyone reading this is to start doing greetings cards, as I've noticed in the past few days, my greetings cards are being favored and making some sales. So guys, we've got 3 different people that are doing very well with greetings cards. So that there should be enough for you guys to start making greetings cards. Now, if you're someone who's not making them, or you've not really been paying attention to greetings cards, in this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to fix them, how to optimize them, because I've noticed a lot of people in the Redbubble community don't actually post their greetings cards correctly, and they don't actually know some of the additional tips and tricks you can apply to make them look even more unique, which you're going to be getting into right now. Now, as you can see there's 3 pictures. Now, the first one is a greetings card I made, and it says "Don't do this." So just outside of the black square, you have white spots. Now, this happens when you upload your greetings cards without using the correct dimensions. So it doesn't matter what color you select whilst on Redbubble, this section just outside the square will always stay white, and then the square inside will change color depending on the color you select. Now, this is what you don't want to be doing. This is usually when you're using dimensions that match. So for example, 5,000 by 5,000, 2,000 by 2,000. This is what causes this to happen, and that's what you do not want to do. Now, moving on to the examples of what you do want to do, you've got this card here that says "Do this." Now, when you use the correct dimensions, which I will be going to talk about in a second, this is what appears. You get a greetings card that's filled up, and you can add whatever you want to add in there, whether it's text, whether it's images. You can fill up the whole greetings card. And as an extra bonus tip, you can also flip the card to the side and post your cards looking like this. So we've got "Do this," and then the second option, or this, which is something that I've noticed a lot of people don't actually know how to do, and I don't see a lot of greetings cards out there with this kind of style. And yeah, going from this, going into the actual dimensions you want to be using, here they are, guys. So to create just the standard portrait mode card, you want to use 5,000 by 7,100 as the pixels you use for your images. Or if you want to flip it to the side, you literally flip the numbers over. Now on Redbubble, they do actually have a section where they talk about greetings cards and postcards, and the aspect ratios you should be using. Now, when you go in here, I mean, it does give you useful information, but when it comes to designing, I know a lot of you guys are using things like Photoshop, so aspect ratios don't really usually come into play, which is why I've kind of showed you guys the dimensions in pixels. If you want to find this section on Redbubble, all you need to do is search aspect ratios for greetings cards. Here you get more information in regards of what to do, what not to do. But if you're looking for a quick and simplified version, just follow the dimensions that I've given you guys and you should be good to go. And right guys, before I go any further, I thought I'd jump onto Redbubble, search a keyword under greetings cards. So we'll search funny, and I'm going to go through some of the greetings cards there just so you can see that a lot of people don't actually know how to fix this. Now, as we start at the top, obviously a lot of these greetings cards are using the correct dimensions, which is always good to see. But every now and again you come across cards like this that have the white outline at the edges, which you don't want. You come around cards like this, once again, white outline at the edges. If we scroll through, I'm pretty sure we'll find more. Once again, hang on, let me overthink this. This is something that's performing quite well on Redbubble. To be on the first page of a niche that has, from what I can see here, 3 million results. I can't believe it's that much. That's crazy. But to be on the first page of a keyword that big, you want to be making sure that you're optimizing your cards correctly. And I would assume if people that are doing this well are forgetting to do simple things like this, hopefully it should help a lot of you guys out, be able to fill out your greetings cards and make the most of them. And if you look closely, you'll see that these style of greetings cards, so the landscape typed greetings cards, there isn't a lot of them. People tend to do the portrait ones mainly because they're the easier ones to do. But if you want to be able to kind of beat your competition and become more competitive with your designs, you can jump into niches where you don't even see a lot of landscape cards and start designing in that way, and you'll be able to pretty much beat the competition and gain yourself extra sales. Now, these are little things that people don't really consider when it comes to greetings cards, but like you saw at the start, people are selling them. If you're not selling them, if you don't have sales, this is something you could start selling yourself, and you could be seeing a lot of sales sooner rather than later. Now, there's a lot of niches you can jump into when it comes to greetings cards and a lot of gift card ideas you can use. I thought I'll just list 5 here for you guys so you guys can maybe try creating greetings cards around these sort of topics. So at number 1, we've got birthday cards. I mean, birthdays are happening all the time. Birthday cards are very scalable as well. You can create one design and then just change the age and have birthday cards ranging from age 1 all the way up to age 80, for example. The second thing is Christmas cards. Now, they wouldn't be a product that sell all year round, such as birthday cards, but if you can create yourself some Christmas cards, you know that when it gets to that point of year, you start to see some extra sales coming in. Next one we have is anniversary cards. Now, this is something that can sell all year round, as people are always pretty much having anniversaries. And we've got Mother's Day, once again, specific time of year, and Father's Day, once again, specific time of year. And for anyone that's still watching at this point, I'll give you a bonus niche to jump into so you can start creating gift cards for the new year. They're the kinds of things people will be looking for around this time, at the time of recording this video. So if you haven't already made some new year cards, start designing. You never know, you could get yourself some extra sales. And the last thing, if you're running out of ideas or you don't know what to create greetings cards for after you've covered the things that I've already told you, you can even just come on Redbubble, write a keyword and see what other keywords are suggested, just as you can see here. I'm sure if you click through these, you'll get some ideas of greetings cards to create. You'll also find some low competition niches, so it's just something to consider. Now, if you've made it to the end of the video, down in the comment section, let me know what your favorite holiday is. I understand the community that watches my videos are from all around the world, so I'm very interested to see what your favorite holidays are. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.